This is how the room starts, and I'll put it on wide mode so you guys will be able to check it. And this is the restroom, and I'll just, yeah, decent sized one. And moving forward, so this is a two bedroom, decent sized one, and goes with the TV. Yeah, ample amount of facilities, and centralized air conditioner as well. So we'll be able to adjust the temperature over here. And this is my things. Oh god, this song is playing in the background. So okay. So this is how the city looks like, and I choose to close the shades. And this is the wardrobe. Yeah, decent sized wardrobe. And a sofa, coffee maker as well. Okay, so I just want to give a quick look around. That's it. Bye.